Sure, here's a 400-word script about the 1997 Toyota Corolla, suitable for a short video, commercial, or informative voiceover. Intro: a calm, nostalgic music playing. Narrator: VO. In a world where cars come and go, one name has stood the test of time at the Toyota Corolla. Cut to footage of a 1997 Toyota Corolla driving down a suburban street. Narrator: VO. Let's rewind to 1997, at the year the 8th generation Toyota Corolla quietly made its mark. It wasn't flashy, it wasn't loud, but it was dependable. Close-up shots of the front grille, headlights, interior dashboard. Narrator: VO. The 1997 Corolla was built with one thing in mind: reliability. Under the hood, you had a fuel-efficient 1.6 or 1.8-liter inline-4 engine. It wasn't built to win races, it was built to get you from point A to point B, every single time. Show tachometer rising, engine purring gently. Narrator: VO. With horsepower ranging from 100 to 120. It wasn't the fastest sedan on the road, but it was one of the most dependable. And in a world where breakdowns meant lost time, the Corolla was a safe bet. Interior shots: a simple radio, cloth seats, manual windows. Narrator: VO. No fancy gadgets here, just the basics. AC, a tape deck, maybe a CD player if you were lucky. Manual windows in some models. It was simplicity at its finest. Cut to a family loading groceries, a student driving to college. Narrator: VO. Whether it was your first car, your college commuter, or the family workhorse, at the 97 Corolla played a quiet, steady role in millions of lives. Footage of high-mileage odometer: a 250,000 plus miles. Narrator: VO. And here's the thing, many of them are still running, clocking in well over 200,000 miles, with nothing more than regular oil changes and a little love. Closing shots of the Corolla driving into the sunset. Narrator: VO. The 1997 Toyota Corolla wasn't trying to be a legend, it just became one mile at a time. Text on screen: 1997 Toyota Corolla, a built to last. Narrator: VO. It didn't need to be flashy, a broken bar, it just needed to be there. And it was. Fade out with soft instrumental music. Let me know if you want this adapted into a video script format with scene directions, or tailored for a specific platform like YouTube or TikTok.